This is the next video in my series on controlling a 5-volt LED strip with the Raspberry Pi. Here I'll be adding HomeKit support so the strip can be controlled via Siri on an iOS device. If you followed the previous video, you're ready to get started. If you've not seen it yet, please stop here and go watch it. Once again, I'll be making use of my Raspberry Pi Configurator script to make the setup process easier. Download run the most recent version. At the menu, choose Video Projects, and then Raspberry Pi HomeKit Controlled Single Color LED Strip May 2020. The script will update your Raspberry Pi and install pi-GPIO and Node.js. Then it will download the project from GitHub and install the required software dependencies for you. Once everything is finished, enter the project folder and type sudo npm start. If you see the same thing on your screen, you're ready to grab your iOS device and set up the LED strip. In the Home app, tap on the plus button and choose Add Accessory. Then tap I don't have a code or cannot scan. You should see the LED strip accessory. If you don't, make sure you and your Raspberry Pi are on the same network. Tap the icon and then tap Add Anyway on the prompt. The setup code should be displayed on your Raspberry Pi. It should be 000000123. Add it to a room and click Next. You should now be able to control the LED strip from inside the Home app. You can also use Siri to control it. Turn on the LED strip.
Okay, the LED strip is on.
Make the LED strip 25%.
Okay, I set the LED strip to 25%.
If you need to, you can delete the accessory by long pressing it and then tap the gear icon on the lower right. Then scroll all the way down to remove accessory. If things get messed up or start acting strangely, you may need to delete the accessory from Home and then remove the persist folder from the Raspberry Pi. Well, that's it for this video. There are more Raspberry Pi videos coming soon, including one on how to automatically run this project every time the Raspberry Pi boots up. So please subscribe and keep an eye out for that. If you found this video helpful, share it with others and give it a thumbs up. See you next time.